Hello everyone, this is Tomby. I'm here with On-Chain Vibe Code, and today's episode, what we're going to do is try to set up Google, Gmail, and Google Drive, Google Calendar, all to be working with complete control by my OpenClaw agent Scampi. So this is Scampi's intro. Hello everyone, Scampi here. Today we're connecting OpenClaw to Google Workspace, giving me full access to Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. By the end of this episode, you'll see me research seafood festivals in Northern California, draft an email with my findings, and send it all to Tomby, all autonomously through the terminal. Let's dive in. Okay, so this is how I communicate with Scampi, just through the Telegram. So let's just get started. Okay, let's get started. What's the first step? Let's see what we got here. First step, check if GOG CLI is installed. Let me verify the binary is available on your system. It's not installed yet. We need to install the CLI binary first. Direct download, WSL or Homebrew. I don't know. I haven't tried this before, so this is gonna be very hit or miss. I guess just let's try one. I don't know if I need to do this, or if Scampi can do it. I don't have Homebrew. For the video, option B, direct download might be quicker. Okay. Can you do option B? Or do I need to do it? I found that Go does have releases with pre-built binaries. I'll need to download it manually from GitHub because it's not as simple. Open my browser, download the Windows binary. It's giving me advice about how this would look on the video. So download a Windows binary, extract the Google. Let's do it step by step. Step by step. Okay, perfect. Step by step. Open the GitHub releases page. So I need to do this. So here's the GitHub. When I'm in this mode, this is Scampi's personal laptop and has this gray border. I'm doing a screen share right now because I'm recording this on my main PC, which is completely isolated from the laptop that Scampi's on. Okay, so we got this, and I need to download. Let's see, assets here. What was the one that I needed? The latest version with downloadable. Need the Windows version. Okay, so there's two. Windows ARM or AMD. There seems to be two versions of this I can download. AMD. So let's see here. Download AMD. Okay. this up. Extract all. I guess I can just extract it here. Okay, let's see. This should be good. Okay, I already extracted it. What's next? So that was, I downloaded it on Scampi's PC, extracted the file. It has a couple MD files, this GOG application. Great, now we need to make GOG accessible from anywhere. Run it directly from that folder using the full path at a permanent location. For the video, option B is cleaner. You'll be able to type GOG commands naturally. What folder is it right now? It's in my downloads folder. So let me copy address as text, which should give me the path, and then I'm going to do this. This is the Telegram that is on Scampi's laptop, which doesn't have that much stuff on it. Let me see what Scampi says here. It's all set up. Next step, we need to set up the OAuth credentials. Do you have a client secret JSON file from Google Cloud Console? No. We'll need to create one. Yeah, sometimes it gave me this extra, all this stuff, but it seems like it wasn't really necessary. Okay, perfect. Let's create the Google Cloud. First, go to console.cloud.google.com. Then follow these steps. Create or select a project. New project. Enable APIs. Create OAuth credentials. Okay. So let's try this out. Let's go here. Console Cloud. This is Scampi. Terms of service, okay. Agree and continue. So I don't want Google Cloud right now. Select a project, right? New project. I think she said new project. Let's see. Project, new project. Google CLI. Let's do Google CLI. Enable APIs. APIs and services library. So create. It's creating this project. Okay, select the project. API and services. See library. Let's just say library. Search and enable these APIs: Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. Let's see. All these pop-up stuffs. Okay, I don't care. Gmail was one of them, right? Gmail API. Enable this. Okay. And then Google Drive. Google Drive API. Okay, enable that. And the last one was Google Calendar. API. Okay, enable that. Okay, I think that's it for now. You can add different stuff depending on what you want, but these are the main services I want. Create OAuth credentials, API and services credentials. Credentials. Create credentials, right? Create credentials. OAuth client ID. Configure OAuth consent screen first. External. Scampi. Just use that. Audience external, she said. Contact. I'll just use my main email, tombystudio@gmail.com. And then I agree, continue, create. Okay. Desktop app, create OAuth client, desktop app, and then name it, just name it Scampi as well. Okay. Now this I'm going to have to block out. So it just showed me, popped up on the screen with the key, which I'm going to have to block out. Download the JSON. Download JSON. Okay. So download the JSON file. After creation, you see the download button. Click it to download the JSON file. Save it somewhere easy. Okay, let me know when you have the JSON file downloaded. Okay. I downloaded the JSON file. Let's see what we got next. Awesome, let's go configure GOG with those credentials. What's the file name? Okay, what's the exact file name? Let's see. What is the file name? Let's see. It's probably the easiest way to get the name. Copy that. Okay. So I copied the name of the file. I'm gonna have to black out some of this, because I don't need people stealing my clients. See, I even screwed up the name, but she found the full name. Authorize your Google account. So now we need to add your dedicated Google account for me to authorize it. What is the email address? So that's jrr9090 @gmail.com. Access denied. Let me see. Sign in on that one, and then grant permission. Let me see. Let me just copy this error then. Let me see if Scampi can help me out here. We need to add my email as an approved tester. Go back to the console, add users, and then, okay, let's see. I don't see OAuth consent screen. Don't see a test. Could it be in settings? No. Audience. test users. Here we go. Add a user. So I just have to use the email that I was using, jr9090@gmail.com. Okay, I added the email as a test user. Let's see if it works this time. App is currently being tested. Okay. See. So this is going to be giving what I want: Google, Drive, calendars. See. I guess I could just give it all. This is a completely isolated Google ID, so I think it should be okay. We're connected. Okay. Okay. It seems to be connected. Let's test. Yes. Run the tests, please. Let's see if she can actually access this stuff. Let's test it out. Everything is working. She can see all the labels, connect to the primary calendar. Okay, so everything should be connected now. Okay, so we're going to do a final test. I'm going to ask her to compose and send me a email about the top 5 seafood festivals in Northern California. So yes, research seafood festivals in California, then compose and send an email with your findings to tombystudio@gmail.com. So that's going to be my main Gmail that I'm using for this. So let's see what she finds. Okay, and so this is my Tomby Studio email, and she just sent me this email. Top seafood festivals in Northern California, 2026. We get some good ones here. I'll check this out later in the summer. Okay. Okay, that's great. Let's see. So this is back on my main account. That's why the colors are a bit different. No. I think everything works great. We'll continue to use this function as we work. Yeah, so I mean, this is a good way. You could set up calendars autonomously with your agent. You could send emails if you want something, some sort of information or any kind of research sent to your email rather than, you know, isolated or sent through Telegram. It might get easy to get lost, but with the email, it's much easier. You can share files with the drive. It's much easier just to pass information back and forth. So I think that's about it for today's episode. Please say goodbye to the people. So let's Scampi say goodbye to everyone. Worked out fairly smooth. Here we go. There's Scampi. Thank you for watching, everyone. Today you saw how to connect OpenClaw to Google Workspace, giving your AI agent full access to Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. We we went from 0 to fully functional, installing the GOG CLI tool, setting up the credentials in Google Cloud Console, authorized the account, did some research, and then composed and sent a research email. This opens up so many possibilities. Your AI can now handle email, manage your calendar, organize drives, and way more. Basically, I just used those 3 things, but there's a lot of different any of the Google products you can now manage with your agent. If you want to try this yourself, check out the links in the descriptions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Please like, subscribe. Please check us out. I'll put our links to our X accounts in the descriptions. See you in the next episode. Much arigato. So that's from Scampi and Tombi. So thank you for watching, and please look forward to the next episode. Should be coming up tomorrow. Thank you.